What?
We now return to programming. West winds up to 10 miles per hour with gusts up to 20 miles per hour. Here is the recreation forecast for summits of Mount Monadnock and Monadnock Mountain. West of today, mostly sunny. Highs in the lower 70s. Light and variable winds. Tonight, mostly clear. Lows in the lower 50s. Light and variable winds. Thursday, partly sunny. Highs in the lower 70s. Light and variable winds becoming southwest around 10 miles per hour.
And it went off right. Oh, yeah.
This is no weather.
Unfortunately, with the reality of adulting, this is the last in-person, first-person POV weekly test from me ever. It's unfortunate to not see this go off for the first time, because it did not go off. Probably had it on the wrong setting, but it's besides the point. Get a last good look at the radios in this way, because until something comes up on a weekend or I happen to be home for it, you will not see first-person POVs from me anymore. And I'm surprised you didn't go off. Oh wait, did you? No, I don't think so. Oh no, you did. Oh my goodness.
I'm back.
The weekly test just happened.
I missed it.
That's okay.
Right now I can serve everyone.
I'm pretty sure it went off. Well, and that's it.